Padayon ta sa ato ang shopping guys ng unong taginis tong squid. So this squid guys is 2 for $4. So 2 each. $2 each. Asa na siya gikan? Lamig siya guys, very sweet with the ink. Ayan. Sardines. I never tried this tinapa yet, but I will. Tinapa. There's another tinapa, so I want to try them all. There. And our burger. So there's another sardines. They're not Philippine sardines guys, pero wala tayo laing choice. Wala man ta sa Asian store, naara man ta sa amuang market. So maraming mga sardines nga makita sa tong market guys, pero this is my favorite. Check it out, a squid with ink. So lamig kayo siya. Unya, we got some dunking, and I wanna make some noodles. Ang bato man ko lamas guys, pero ako gusto kong pansit karon, so whatever it is, pansit. And then natay spaghetti pababa. Nganong daghan sulti na akong guys. I said I just wanna spend $20, but sa maning 150 naman. I'm not sure how much guys. Natay hamburger, helper. This one, I think this one is really good guys. Wild horse. So muna itong napalit. Daghang junk. Of course, naatay snacks. Kaya pwede ka nang lantag snacks. Puro raman ni can of ko ang natin nakuha guys. Naatay snacks. Pang feeling Philippines pero di siya Pilipinas guys. May naman tayo sa Pilipinas. Nga. Magluto tayo natin. And dessert. Apple pie. So tanawa guys ang ato ang $150 nga groceries. So it's very kimchi guys. It's so very kimchi. Let's go cooking.